We want to divide the following fractions. We have p over q divided by r over s. When dividing fractions, we write the first fraction down, change the divide to a multiply, and turn the second fraction upside down. We then have p times s, which is ps, over q times r, which is qr. Here we have a squared over 2b divided by b squared over a. We write down the first fraction, a squared over 2b. The divide becomes a multiply, and the second fraction is upside down, a over b squared. There's no cancelling here, so we do a squared times a, which is a cubed, and 2b times b squared, which is 2b cubed. We now have 3ab over 7 divided by 9a squared over 14. Write down the first fraction, change the divide to a multiply, and write the second fraction upside down. 3 goes into 3 once, and into 9 3 times. 7 goes into 7 once, and into 14 twice. A will cancel with a squared. We're left here with b times 2, which is 2b. On the bottom we have 1 times 3a, which is 3a. We now have 2a over 3b divided by 4b squared over 9a. We write down the first fraction, 2a over 3b, the divide becomes a multiply, and then the second fraction we write upside down. Cancelling, we know that 2 goes into 2 once and into 4 twice. 3 goes into 3 once and into 9 3 times. We're left with 1a times 3a, which is 3a squared. On the bottom we have 1b times 2b squared, which is 2b cubed.